Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So we all wait for summers in Norway so that we can explore the nature more because otherwise it's too cold. But the weather is extremely good today. It's 24 degrees and we are in middle of a jungle and we are going on a hike. So this is my first hike in Norway. Yeah, it's too late to have a first hike, but yes, it's my first hike. And we are going to Kolsåstoppen. So yeah, you have to walk a lot and then you reach the top and you have a view. I'm excited but already tired. We just started. I hope I can make it and I can show you in the vlog that how is it. So you have to watch the full vlog and see if I could make it or not. So you can either come by metro till Kolsaas or you can come by bus to this point called Stein Gård. So we came here by car and then we reached here and we started walking towards Stein Gård. So that is a mistake. So you should not do that. The hike starts from the opposite side of the Stein Gård board. So that's here where you have to start your hike. So you can either choose to go to Sondre or Nedre Kolsåstoppen. So guys, we kept walking and we realized we hit the dead end of this road where there was nothing after this apart from this house. First of all, I'm not even confident that I can walk. And then if we go like this and go to the parts where we don't have anywhere to go, reaching the top is really difficult. Let's see. So guys, the biggest learning from our hike is that you need to follow these blue lines and boards from the start and then you will not be lost like us. That's the way up. It's steep. It's like on a rock. Up in here, the only savior you have are these blue lines because they are your guiding light. Otherwise, I'm losing network also here. Break time guys. It's just tiring but एक अलग सी शांति है इस जंगल में और ये मक्खी जब से हम आए हैं इसने जान दे रखी है. ये अलग परेशान करे पड़ी है. So this monkey is actually irritating. ये मच्छर काट रहा है मुझे. So yeah, after all the mosquitoes, bees, let's resume the walk. Still walking. I can see the sun now, so I hope it's nearby. So then after walking and walking, we reached this point where we had to choose which one we want to go, Norway or Sondre, but we chose the Norway one, which was just 0.5 kilometers for where we were, and maybe next time for the longer hike, but this was enough for this time. Break time, fully exhausted, but it's not very far. You can be happy. Kolsaas. Yeah, it was funny. See? It's good. It's so cool out here. It's so awesome. And best part about Norway is that you come to the top of this place and there's nobody. So like me and Ankit have this entire place to ourselves. Are you liking it?
Very good.
Guys, another fact which I want to share. So we could see our house from the top of the Kolsaas because we stay very close to this place, and that's why I zoomed and we could see where we live. Okay, so time to leave this beautiful place. Back to the long trek. Actually, it was not very long. Just that first one, no? Yeah, but I'll get used to it. And yes, I'm hoping we have to go down, so it would be much easier this time. Let's go. Apart from your own companions on this hike, there was one companion, which is this blue line. We could have not reached, or we cannot go back without this line, because you're just inside a jungle and you don't have any clue where you are. Okay guys, I want you to meet the most useless thing on this hike, which was this. I thought it might get cold. I carried it all the way up, now all the way down, but you don't need it at all. It was such a pleasant weather, but you just can't trust Norway with the weather. I mean, I thought getting down would be easier, but it wasn't, because you can't actually have any grip when you get down. It's just steep, and yeah, so just be careful, and you have to really try to hold and make a grip, because you don't get it. And I hope we get to the plain land soon. Finally back in the car after my first successful hike. Feels really good. I felt hike is all about exploring the unknown, that you don't know what's next. We had certain challenges as well, but overall it was a lot of fun. So yeah, we should do this a lot more in Norway, and like Norwegians. Yeah, so cheers to many more hikes. Bye bye.